Welcome to the Artful Academy.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about homophones. Now tell me, what is homophone? What do you understand by homophone? A homophone is a word that sounds the same as another word but has a different meaning and spelling. For example, flower and flower. Flower, flower means fool, this one. But flour, flour means atta. See, they are two different homophones, right? But their meaning and spelling is different, but the pronunciation, the sound is same. As shown in this picture, homophone same sound, but meaning and spelling is different. See some examples of homophones as tail, tail, waist, waist, seller, seller, hole, hole, soul, soul, plane, plane, bee, bee, flew, flew, flew. So these are same sound word, but spellings and meaning is completely different. So in this video, we're going to learn about some of these homophones words. Let's have a look. So the very first one is hi. Hi means किसी को greet करना. High. High means ऊंचाई, height. Next one is night. Night means रात. Knight. Knight means fighter, योद्धा. Next one is cell. Body के cells. And the next one is sell. Sell means बेचना. Hair. Hair means बाल. Hair. Hair means rabbit. Weight. Weight means वजन. Weight. Weight means इंतजार. Next is tail. Tail means पूंछ. Tail. Tail means कहानी. Stair. Stair means सीढ़ियाँ. Stair means किसी को घूरना. Right. Right means right side. Right. Right means लिखना. Maze. Maze means बुलबुलैया. Maze. Maze means भुट्टा, pond. Mail. Mail means कोई भी खत, email, letter. These are mail. And mail means आदमी. I means आँख. I means मैं, me. Right. Right means सही. Right means right turn. There is a difference. See, the spelling and pronunciation both is completely same, but the meaning is different. So this is also a type of homophone. Okay. Waste means kamar, and waste means garbage, bekar, kharab saman. So
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.